Hi fellow YouTubers, this is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am, I'm a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Today I'm here to showcase this wig and stay tuned. Yeah, I think I want that kind of baby hair like right there, but I'm just not for sure yet. Let's see how far the hair can go over first. That's a little too far. Maybe right here. This is from Cloud9 Swisslace wig in 100% premium fiber, and it's also HD lace. It's called Solana and burgundy wine, and it's called what lace. You can see here, you can see them only wearing it in the center part or braiding it in the middle. That's cute and all, but I don't want to do all that. This shit burned me. Goodness, that burned me for real. This might need to be cut, like trimmed. But it looks good, like it looks really good. The guy that I'm going on a date with, I seen him on Facebook Live, and he was on my friend's live. He was so cute. I was like, who is that? Like, got him! And this is our first official date, so I'm excited for it. Part right here is, it needs to be cut. This needs to be trimmed, and then I'm gonna trim the baby.
En fait, ce système...
If you guys can see it, but it sheds a lot. I don't know if because I'm cutting it right now, but it kind of sheds a lot. So this little curl here, I think I'm gonna leave it and then just fluff this out. And it's super cute. I love it. What you guys think? Do you guys love it? Do you guys like it? So far I like it. It's really easy to maintain. I am gonna put some type of makeup right there right now. So I really honestly wanted to get this hair too, because I wanted to experiment with the color and then have one of my wigs colored like this. I think it's a good color. He kept on telling me like he thought burgundy would look really good on me though. He trying to drive like 30 minutes just to get the Sandia Loca. That's it. Honestly, that's all I want right now, like some Mexican fruit. Sandia means watermelon. Color really looks good on me. What do you think? With my chocolate skin. And I love that, I really didn't know what I was gonna wear with this color, because I was like, I don't know how to color match burgundy hair with clothes, and it really looks good on chocolate. This is the hair. What do you guys think of this hair? It seems like the hair is this long, so it's about 24 inches. I would say it's 24 inches. The density of this seems like more of like a 180, and the color is kind of like it's burgundy, but it has like undertones of some other like pinkish kind of color. It almost looks like brown pinkish burgundy. Shine is not that bad. I still love how it looks. It's not too shiny. I don't really like shiny wigs, and it flat iron under, I don't know how many degrees this is, but it flat iron under the number 9, so it could be like 300 and something, but I don't want to test it too much. I don't have any complaints with this hair. This hair is fire. It looks good. I like to have my hair move to the side like this because I just feel like it gives me more of that Model S look. This wig is absolutely phenomenal. So I would highly recommend this. If I put it in my Amazon store so that you guys can see that. The wigs I wear on my channel is in the Amazon store. Thank you guys so much for chatting with me. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell me what you think about this wig in the comments below.